This Dove lotion will not just moisturize your skin, it will help to even out any dark parts on your body. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, Judith is the name. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for sticking around. If you're yet to subscribe to my channel, please tap the subscribe button down below to get subscribed to my channel for more skincare tips. And don't forget to like this video if you end up enjoying it. In today's video, I'm going to be reviewing this Dove body lotion. So if you're interested in hearing my honest experience while using this particular Dove lotion, you just want to keep on watching, because I'm going to be telling you guys all you need to know about this particular Dove body lotion, ranging from the packaging, the fragrance, the texture, the price, what I like and what I don't really like about this particular body lotion, and how to get the best results with this Dove body lotion. So let's jump right into it. So the name of the product I'll be reviewing for you guys today is called the Dove Nourishing Secrets Awakening Ritual Body Lotion. This is the product right here. So this particular Dove Nourishing Secrets comes in different variants, and I've actually reviewed one here on my channel, and that is the Dove Nourishing Secrets Indulging Ritual Body Lotion. So just in case you have not seen it yet, I'll link the video up here and in the description box so that you can be able to check that out. So the particular Dove Nourishing Secrets I'll be reviewing in this video is the Dove Awakening Ritual Body Lotion. So the packaging of these lotions are the same. They come in this white plastic long container. They come in this 400 ml plastic container. They all come in this 400 ml plastic container, and it has a flip cover that you can easily open and close to take out the product. So the packaging of this Dove body lotion is quite simple and nice. You can simply open it up and take out your product. So immediately I opened up this Dove lotion, the first thing that struck me was the fragrance of this lotion. Like, it has this floral refreshing fragrance. It's so alluring and inviting. I just love the fragrance of this Dove Awakening Ritual Body Lotion. Like, it scents so nice. So let's take a look at the texture of this Dove Awakening Ritual Body Lotion. So if you take out the product from the container, you have this, can you see? You have those white creamy products inside. The texture of the lotion is thick, but when touching it, it's just like a water-based gel, and it applies and absorbs very fast into the skin. It has this cooling, hydrating effect on application. So let's take a look at the ingredient list and what this body lotion promises. So taking a proper look at the ingredient list of this particular Dove Awakening Ritual Body Lotion, it actually contains water, glycerin, dimethicone, stearic acid, and the rest, and is also made with matcha green tea and sakura blossom. So this particular Dove body lotion states that it's suitable for all skin types, and at the back here it states that wake up your skin with Dove Awakening Ritual Body Lotion, inspired by rituals from Japan. This refreshing formula with matcha green tea and sakura blossom instantly nourishes and hydrates skin, while its vibrant scent revives your senses, and the result, revitalize skin with an instant glow for all skin types, dermatologically tested. So this is what this body lotion promises. So I'll be sharing my overall personal experience with this particular Dove Nourishing Secrets Awakening Ritual Body Lotion. I'll be telling you guys what I like and what I don't really like about this particular Dove body lotion. So personally speaking, I love the packaging of this Dove Nourishing Secrets Awakening Ritual Body Lotion. Like, it's so simple and nice. I also love how this Dove Awakening Ritual Body Lotion smells. Like the scent of this Dove Nourishing Secrets Awakening Ritual Body Lotion is to die for. It gives off that luring floral scent. Like whenever I layer this body lotion with my perfume, the compliments I get on that day is just something else. Like I really love the scent of this body lotion. Another thing I love about this particular body lotion is the texture. Like it looks like this water-based gel. It has a thick consistency, yet it doesn't feel greasy on the skin. Like whenever I apply this lotion on my body, it gives off that cooling effect on my skin, and I love it. Like it makes your skin feel cool and smooth. And this particular body lotion is not going to make you sweat. Like you're not going to use this Dove Nourishing Secrets Awakening Ritual Body Lotion and complain of sweat. I love the fact that you can basically apply this to your skin and you will get that moisturized and hydrated feel instantly on your skin. Like this particular body lotion, it moisturizes and nourishes your skin. Like this particular body lotion, immediately you apply it to your skin is going to feel soft, smooth and supple. Like it's going to moisturize your skin, hydrate your skin, and at the same time leave you feeling supple and radiant. This is a very good body lotion to get if you're looking for something that will moisturize your skin without making you sweat profusely. Like it's a very nice body lotion for those with fair skin, dark skin, chocolate skin or caramel skin tone. It's suitable for all skin types. So even if you have a dry skin, oily skin, acne prone skin, you can get away with using this particular body lotion on your skin. Like it's very soothing and moisturizing on the skin. Like this is one body lotion you want to use if you're battling with dark patches or dark marks on your body. It's going to even out your skin with consistent use. So if you have a damaged skin, you can get this body lotion and blend your whole body into one complexion. Like this Dove body lotion is very moisturizing on the skin. But if you have a super dry skin or you have eczema on your skin, you might want to pair this body lotion with a body oil because you might not find it very moisturizing on your skin. So you would want to pair this with a body oil to get a maximum effect from it. Like the fact it contains matcha green tea and sakura blossom, it's going to help nourish your skin, moisturize your skin and make your skin feel supple and radiant. Like these two ingredients gives off that refreshing fragrance, and that is why the smell of this Dove Nourishing Secrets Awakening Ritual Body Lotion is a bomb. For those of you that will be asking, can this body lotion be used on the face? Yes, you can actually get away with using this Dove Nourishing Secrets Awakening Ritual Body Lotion on your face. I actually tried it out on my face, and guys, like I basically use this to moisturize my face on some days. So yeah, you can get away with using this on your face. But like I always say, our skin is different, so what works for me might not work for you. I advise you do a patch test if you want to use this on your face. So this is a really good moisturizer to get if you're looking for something that will moisturize your skin, hydrate your skin, and at the same time even out your skin tone. Like it's going to help nourish your skin and give you that bright looking complexion. It's very suitable for all skin types and complexion, and if you use this consistently, it's going to help blend out your body. This particular body lotion is sold at the price of 2,000 naira at Roban stores, so you can check your nearest cosmetic store if you want to order this body lotion. So yeah, that is it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If you enjoyed watching this video, please do not forget to like, subscribe to my channel for more skincare tips, and see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.